Asikhulume podcast once again. It's live. Catch us on TikTok on my page Ngosana Nyoni. Nemfoti Kasi Influencer on TikTok. Yeah. My brother once again ngiyabonga. Angicede ukubonga every time because ukucela wena it doesn't take even 10 days ukuthi ngikuthole. Mangicele wena ukuthi my brother, let's do an episode. My brother, let's do. I think I'm very every month, 3 months, shoot my episode. Yeah. Until then, you feel like if you you understand. It takes time, but see, ngisengirana 3 years but ngirana le page le but isengafika ngala ngifisa khona but yathi ngichaza ngani it's taking baby step ukuthi ikhule yabo nemntwana ngani uyamathi ucala khase nyana ring walker whatsoever. It takes time vele ukuthi umntwana ukuthi ahambe adle le nini nenidlayo yabo. So nale episode nale podcast le ngichaza ngaloko ngale ukuthi ithatha ama baby steps and I'm not in a rush of anything because masisilapha eTulu lapha to regret because khona thina letinye longatendanga kahle usese lapha phasi yabo. Yesterday my brother, before we start talking ngicela ukuthi introduce once again because watiwa ngamagama kahle ma students abathi ngale gama leli emgwaqeni bathi ngale gama leli ku TikTok bathi ngale gama leli madam bathi ngale gama leli, you understand? Yasekhaya bathi ngale gama.
sanibonani si live la ku Asikhulume podcast lwethu yala elokishini sithatha sifake ebantwini. Mina ke ekhaya gama banginika ngisibusiso ngakaMagagula kodwa ke ngathiwa nga Mr Sonzela, labanye bangathi nga Mr Clean, labanye bangathi nga Kasi role model. Kuningi kakhulu but ngicabanga ukuthi lokuningi sitothola uma siqhubeka sixoxa.
No, thanks a lot my brother. Bantu abaya kulandzela, I think I need to apologize first to you ukuthi we did an episode, it was part 3 if I'm not mistaken, and my phone crashes uploadanga, and it was an interesting episode, but maybe everything happens for a reason. That's what I always say, you understand? But everything happens for a reason because one thing I like about you, you always give me time. You understand? Not me alone. There are many people they say you always give them time. Even principal, your former principal, he used to say, "Hey man, you know that guy." That guy. So you are that person who inspire many people at once. You understand? Yesterday, my brother, it was a Father's Day. Let's talk about yesterday. How was your day?
Nilanga lami layitolo I just bekuyi hiking esontweni.
Oh, okay.
So we just gathered everyone. I think it was in Royal around Lake Shanzini. Nkomazi was here. Some guys from Boma Wheatbank, they were here. So we just took a hiking near Babaton. Yeah, so that was all about it. I don't really enjoy la malanga lawo. Kusemalanga longa celebrate akho. Angisilo umuntu okuphila ngecalendar.
Every day it's okay kahle by the way. Because calendar ibhaliwe abantu abangasibekisi futhi first thing first yabo. So thina silandzela siphumethe culture yethu sase culture yebantu. I did an episode yesterday na Rodman Baba Ken Dube. It's an interesting episode. We are talking about that and kusafuna sibuyele sikhulume about onke ma holiday, you understand, as a calendar because I as restrictor ukuthi like when you need to ukuthi uphile ngalamalanga lawo, you understand, because you talk about ukuthi like a Valentine. Valentine is an everyday thing you need to do, you understand. Father's Day is in everyday, Mother's Day is in everyday thing you need to do. But we are choosing lapana benenjani is a strategy because in a Valentine's Day we are going to do a gift that they will be selling like the door. Those guys are it's a marketing strategy, you understand. And it's in a sort of food that day, very so those things. But every day it's a Valentine's Day to anyone. So I mean ilanga lami ngilicelebrate njalo itolo because it's a celebrate masisho being a so shoot episode. We talk about Father's Day, then we talk about June 16. You understand? Namhla it's a June 16. Namhla it's a Freedom Youth Day. You understand? Yeah. What June 16 means to you, my brother? The promise to continue.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi things have changed. Things have changed. And unfortunately, tinto tintshintsha from bad to worse.
Yeah.
If you want to check in South Africa, every holiday, it's a boost day. It's a boost day.
It is, yeah.
Of which ngibona ngathi lokho ekugcineni kwenta abantu baluze the meaning yalama holidays ukuthi lelanga leli langa lani because when we check nyalo if singathi nje nyalo sitothola ama stats ukuthi bantu kusukela kusile sebathenga etshwala lobunganani, you'll be amazed kakhulu, uyabona, you'll be amazed. But in terms of discussions that will open tingqondo, especially tebantu labasha, to understand ukuthi kahle kahle leli langa lani, uyabona, akusilanga lokuthi uhlala ekhaya unamalume unabani unabomzala unabo auntie nihamba nothenga tshwala niyabuya niyatsakwa at the end of the day niya-abusana nendatonga letinto leto.
That's something else because naye bekasho ukuthi first sorry to minute like uthi le party list ruling yalo ngiyilo thatha lelanga elintshintsha yena bekumbono wakhe naye babekhethu ukuthi le party lephethe nyalo intshintshe lelanga this date was not a youth day. I-youth net ukuthi yahamba yawena njani yo strike ama rights wayo ukuthi they don't want to learn every language with Afrikaans. You understand? So wagcina kutholakala people the youth was short and stuff bantu babulawa nani. So but nyalo seyintshintshiwe akusase ilanga lokukhumbula lelo langa lelo because if uthi yena if ngabe bekanguye president bekatojabula ukuthi if lelanga leli bathi khunjula labo bantu labo mhlambe lemindeni yayo kumane kiwe khona kunikwe ama gifts at least, you understand, because they know ukuthi kunemindeni leso leyalahlekela but lelanga selintshintshile so bathi it's a youth day ukuthi yendeni, you understand ukuthi so ithenile lento ya shift yabo but singayi politics because you know everything is politics. No, today's youth day my brother, you drop yesterday topic like ufuna ngathi singakhuluma ngawo, you understand, about youth as we should ukuthi we waste a lot of time ngemalanga lema holiday and doing nothing, you understand, as we're not doing nothing as you say but you used to buy booze and stuff and it's just abuser konje athi nama topic like sengikhohliwe but
kune behavior nama academics then kune ma challenges
and extra. So let's talk about the behavior first, like youth behavior. Lento leyendekala ukuthi i-youth as emmangweni wakangithi la kakhulu ngane base nyalo la kanyamazana. Let's focus on the behavior that lo hlangabetana nayo as wena as a teacher, because if you are a teacher it means you are a parent to those kids that lababalethile lapha. And itolo yesterday we talk about ukuthi niba nema challenges lamaningi and kuba buhlungu ukuthi ube ngitishera uhole imali lencane edlula lo muntu lo wamfundzisa, you understand, and tholakala you are a parent uba i-social worker uba liphoyisa lapha esikole uba ngonke uyi-one but lo msebenzi wakho straight ugcina ungasawendanga 100%, you understand. So uhlangabetana nema challenges lamaningi my brother lapha esikoleni, you understand, according to i-behavior yabantwana, you understand. Let's draft it, let's ibeke phasi ukuthi what have you seen in the kubonako and in the office ngathi kungantshintsha about i-behavior ye-youth?
All I can say ukuthi sine challenge, this is a challenge ye country. It's a challenge ye country because uma ungathi uya-check-a nyalo i-youth yethu ngalendlela kwenteka ngakhona, uma ungabuta abantwana labaningi because now i-teenager ulungiselela kuba youth, now i-youth ulungiselela kuba young adult kanjalo kanjalo. But when you check behavior kuvuka lento yokuthi ugcine sowutibuta ukuthi are these young people aware of tomorrow?
That's the problem.
Are these young people aware of the future? And are these young people know exactly what it takes for you to be in the future in the first place, just to be in the future? To be in the future. Singakhulumi ngokuthi i-future yona uyilungiselela kanjani, but there are things to be done for you to be in the future. So ngibona ngathi i-behavior labantu labasha it's very concerning. Uma ngathi uyachecka this other day I was just searching nje ngifundza and I found ukuthi in terms of smoking alone per day eSouth Africa silahlekelwa 121 people that are dying just ngetifo leti related to kuphela alone just ngeminyaka sikhuluma nga 40,000 plus labo asikhulumi ngebantu bokuthi maybe bagula ngeletinye tifo sikhuluma ngebantu labashiye emhlabeni just ngetifo leti related kuphela. Then you go to schools angeke ungene ema-toilet etikolweni unganuki likwane angeke.
Yeah, it's a norm
vele. So yeah, etikolweni kuyapenywa ndinyalo abantwana even nalaba lokuthi ababhema isigarethi sebaphatha lokuthi into kwakhona bathi machufu ini yeah bayabhema. You will be surprised now to uyaphuma la it's afternoon bantwana babuya ku-attenda lo mnye umntwana uphambana nentuthu ayibhema lento and uyabuka ukuthi lo mntwana lo uya-understanda le impact yalento lakayendaka empilweni yakhe before lo mntwana aze acabange kwenta lento leya uyayicabanga yenye future yabona because you cannot think about the future and not take off your health because you need your health for you to be in the future. That's the first thing. For you to prepare for your future you need to be healthy again. Not unless umuntu ukuthi ufuna kusebenta ube nemali but health yakho ibe ngala seyibhetha imali yakho loyisebenta ematima idliwe bodokotela yabo. So those are the things. And number two, now to check in terms of teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy in South Africa, it's a problem.
It is.
And we're talking about the youth, we're talking about the future. Yes, teenage pregnancy. It's better to be teenage pregnancy in terms of the future. But there are statements now, but it's very South Africa, umthetho wokuthi first baby date uyakushiya. We understand that if you fall pregnant, the father of the firstborn will leave.
And it's a norm.
And then nalabafana nabo sebayati ukuthi hayi vele uyamithisa you leave. And when we check at the stats again, then my stats atokutshela ukuthi ngelanga eSouth Africa sina 395 if not 365
pregnancy.
Teenagers that are giving birth daily. Then when you take that number 365 or 395 multiply by 365.
That's a lot.
Or multiply by 7 days.
That's a lot.
So yabona ukuthi bantu labalo bathi one of 7 wabomali, one of them it's a teenage. So uyayibona lento, and we are here talking about June 16 let's celebrate young people. Yini siyicelebrate
because the langa lize lifike kuze kube holiday. It was not a celebration.
Uyabona yini siyicelebrate. Mine uma ngihleli nyalo ngihleli nebafana lapha laba teenagers ngihleli nema young adult yini lengisherako nabo so that babe aware ukuthi lelilanga leli lilanga lani. Uyabona uma sithatha sithi youth ya 1976 belwela ukuthi ingafundzi ngeAfrikaans. There's education there. Which means labantu laba bebalwela ukuthini sikhone kuba ne-education that respond well to who we are. Here we got education. Bantwana bayalo bayafunza in bantwana. That's the problem. When you go to each and every school, ufune ma top achievers of those schools, you will be surprised because the boy child is sitting at the back. The girl child is leading. Not to say mantombazane kufuna ngafundi. But now I'm talking about the dynamics that are there. Because remember, when you are raising a boy, you are raising a man.
We're raising a man.
You are raising a husband. You are raising a leader. So now if a man, a husband, and a leader
There
is
at the
sitting
back.
at the back
Yeah, that's a problem.
doing nothing.
Yeah, that's a huge one. Yeah, good.
Uyabona
Yeah.
nangu umntwana lawo ntombazana uya-achieve
Yeah.
nangu umntwana emfana aka-achieve
Ish.
nangu umntwana emfana la uhleza expelled esikolweni uhleza nema-cases uyalo esikolweni udisrespecta uthishela and all these things.
Smoke.
And this is the man that we are saying we are building this man for the future. Which future? Yabo, at some point I think ukuthi we siyenta lento ye-future isound as if something that will come from somewhere. Yabona kan bantu labasha kufuna ba-understand ukuthi lama-decisions labawenta namuhla they will lead them tomorrow. And tomorrow is what we call the future.
Yeah, it is the future.
Yeah, so that for me, behavior njengale ndlela ngayo, when you go to these clubs in town, the university students are the ones that are filling the clubs in town, and you feel from high schools. When you go to the ship-ins and the taverns and everything in the townships, it's the high school learners who are filling those places. Now the question is, bayithola phi imali? Who is funding the life yasebusuku to these young people? Are we ready to talk about that? That means now there's a funding that comes from the youth of yesterday to make sure that the youth of tomorrow doesn't exist.
Case closed.
Yeah,
and it's really painful, my brother, because boseswethu bantu bethu bobhuti wethu, and it's dying every day, and ibulawa ngithi. And when one thing, if ungathi uyakhuluma bathi uyahlala, you understand? Muntu ufuna aze ashayise khansi sekeva ukuthi njani. Just imagine just nyalo onke lama club lo wabala. On Thursday bengise Black Queen bacala ukuyipromote nyalo lento. Thursday. Thursday. I was in Black Queen, bekuphela igezwe, out yamathaya. Ngikhaphi ngisha lamana ngiyekelile just ngihlanisa 3 months yabo. Yathi ifuna kushaya 1-2 nyana. And you're promoting ukuthi every day from 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock they are free cocktail just to girls. What's that? Killing the nation. Killing the youth of today. Of tomorrow, by the way.
Yeah, the problem is, but we need to understand ukuthi Embilweni is all about taking advantage. And when we talk about business, we are talking about taking advantage of the situation. No matter you take advantage of it. Funeral parlor because they take advantage. They have to take advantage. And we can't change business. Because business doesn't know any morals, anything. The only thing that business knows is profit.
Yeah, that's true.
So now the thing is usuka kuwe ukuthi wena ufuna kwendani. Uyabona? There are different kind of businesses. Kunebantu abathengisa amabhuku. That's business.
That's business, yeah.
Uma ngabe wena ufuna kufunza amabhuku, you can support those people. Uyabona? So maningi ma business. So when you choose to support a certain business, it's your choice. Because remember, akekho umuntu otatokukokotela endlini.
That's come to my business.
Yeah. So when we are khetha ukuthi ufuna kwendani. But the problem now is lama talks youth the future nesikolo have stopped.
Yeah, it has stopped.
Those discussions are no more. I always struggle even expanding to say, look, skolo it's an academic institution. Uma sithi invite a speaker to come and speak nebantwana in an academic institution. Kufuna lo muntu lo siqale simcheck. Yabona? Because now there's a tendency of using popularity abantu and give them a platform that they don't deserve.
Lento le ihlale entertainment industry bakhuluma ngayo kakhulu.
Uyabona? Because now I drop out from school. And it happened that ngaba nenhlanhla lokudropa out kwami into tami angihlanganele uyabona then I'm invited ukuthi ngiye esikolweni ngiyokhuluma nabantwana besikole ngakini ngesikole
wathi drop out
yeah uyabona then nangifika lapha ngifike ngitshele abantwana ukuthi hayi isikole asikabaluleki bukani mina nami uyabona
and leso sikhathi
then now what will happen is because labantwana abancane and we need to understand ukuthi most of the time thina lesingathi siphambili sometimes we will think ukuthi bantu they are inspired but deep down people are not really inspired but bathanda letinto lonato not that ba inspired that's why there's a difference between umuntu lonabela letinto lonato nomuntu lo inspired because umuntu lo inspired wants to know
what makes you
the person you are but umuntu lonabela letinto lonato utshela ukuthi hayi kusasa ngafanele lengwenya lokho net just unabela letinto that's why when you call people kuma business training they don't show up
they won't
yabona because now sekufuna ubatshela ukuthi ufuna uqale nga R1 yabona you take care of R10 then you will be able to take care of R50 R100 R200 then you grow abayifuni the process
abakafika kanjalo nabo most of the time
yabo so ngilama challenges lawa lesinawo namhla ukuthi do we still have people who are bold enough to come to the youth and tell them ukuthi they should stop 1, 2, and 3. They should start prioritizing 1, 2, and 3. Unfortunately, we could see uma wena so tibeke vele kwi position that is a count of what you want to share. Nalabantu it's a problem.
It is.
Because remember, these people they know ukuthi wena you got wherever la ufike khona because of 1, 2, 3. Because people now they cannot really talk because kwabona laba khona there's no hard work.
There's no hard work.
There's no hard work. It's a pilot. It's a pilot. Umuntu usuke la ngoba there are people who are successful nesibongo sakubo.
Plenty. There are many.
Kuthi wena na ufika la bathi umntwana bani msheshisele. Uyabona? Then those are the people that comes. That's why I always have a problem. I'm not saying bandu that didn't struggle because nema struggle sakafani. But I always have a challenge. Nebandu ukuthi all people now when they want to motivate all of them baqala bahluphekile.
There are many of
them. Baphi bantu lokufuna ba motivate abantu abakhule bangahlupheki because bakhona. Yabo you should tell people ukuthi ngingakhula ekhaya right imoto ngicala kuyidrive ekhaya uyabona
ngihambe esikoleni ngikhashwa ngimoto esekhaya ngikaze ngibele public transport
but kuze ngibe la ngikhona batali bami bathena bahamba I had to make sure ukuthi I sustain and improve siyabatsinga
you really need them.
It's not like everyone vele ukhula hlupheka but now umuntu just ngoba ufuna kulalelwa uselokishini uyati kuyahlusheka ufuna naye kwenda ngathi ukhula hlupheka. So these are the things now bantwana ba prioritize into letibeka impilo yabo emngotini. Bantwana bahamba ebusuku. They can spend 2 nights bangekho ekhaya balele only 2 hours. But they can't do the same when it comes to education. They can't do the same when it comes to fighting for their dreams. They can't do the same when it's coming to attend business meetings and all these things so that they equip themselves. So sine problem yebantu labakhula ngeminyaka kodwa ingqondo isalele emuva.
Baningi.
Yasikhawata. Hence kunayo yonke lento lekhona because yes ukhulile usesigabeni sokuba ngibaba but I really a father. Do you even know what does it take to be a father? What are the responsibilities of being a father? So just ngoba so ukhulile usesigabeni lesithile it doesn't really necessarily make you that person. Why are we in this problem? We are in this problem because of thina lesikhulito. There are certain things thina lesikhulito. Mina ngekukhula kwami nepressure yokukhula kwami I was supposed to be smoking. I was supposed to be drinking. Yeah, I was supposed to be drinking, but because my parents didn't give me the choice to choose to smoke. I ngithe papa senginabo 20 something and sengicala kubona ukuthi hayi man vele lento le iyaphetha. Kahle kahle. Uyabona? Already sengiyakhona kwenta ama decisions ami. Now sinebantwana that are given that leverage ukuthi hayi when you can decide and do whatever. Umntwana lo teenage. Umntwana lo youth, most maybe my young adults. They cannot, a teenager cannot really take decision of the future because they don't know the future. Yeah, they don't know the future. That's why we decided when I'm done with when I'm going to school and then we start to school on the song. Because when I'm more logile waba mntwana, waba a teenager, waba a young adult, you understand. Lo mntwana akakabi ngiloko. So now nika lo mntwana ipower yokuthi athi khetha uyambulala lo mntwana because ukhetha athi kwento la ngayadi.
Yabo. Ayuthi ufuna umuphi choice kuthi naye manje mhlambe ubeke like i-choice lapha etafuleni ukuthi choose on which subject or yini a career ofuna kuyenda now thatha lana kwendekanani.
Yeah, I think
kind of ngani njengoba usho ukuthi maybe nyalo mhlawumbe sasesikoleni bo grade 11 grade 12 there are people like ngani naba inspire child they need to baqhamuke abantu ukuthi mhlambe this one is a lawyer this one is a doctor blah 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 yabo baqhamuke ba inspire lapha in order ukuthi naye mhlambe abe ne direction yana but lokho akusekho njengoba ushilo.
Yeah, i challenge lekhona. I'm sorry but people I think as adults we need really to have such talks yabona. Inkinga ila kubonisa ngayethu. Yabona life has lost the value. To a greater part.
Yeah, it is.
And let me make an example. Yabona kudzala bokucelebrate ukuba nagogo ekhaya.
Yeah.
They celebrate ukuthi kunagogo kunamkhulu.
Yeah.
Why it has a certain value. Now at 37 uyabangogo.
Yeah.
Yabona? Yeah. At 37 ungogo, at 38 ungumkhulu.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi lokuba umkhulu nalokuba ngogo already lose value.
Yeah,
Then now you are 37, you are not married. You are 35, you are not married.
Yeah.
Already you have a grandchild.
Yeah.
Uyajola. Mntwana akho njengoba sakanemntwana naye uyajola. Kwendekani lapha ekhaya.
And the worst part where like yathi inhlamba lento le. Umntwana uletha umntwana ekhaya kubo kagogo wakhe. Nibantwana nonke la endlini. Namakwento susindwana nisindwana nonke.
Yeah.
Nalo une right kusalethe boyfriend yakhe because na mama nganontshintshelela ama boyfriend endlini. Phela because njengoba yisho ukuthi nalethe into mhlawumbe tanete inkinga nato esikoleni because lo mntwana kufuna kuba nendo lekafundiswa yona la ekhaya ukuthi iphathe behave. Ngani? Bakafika esikoleni le behave unayo vele ukuthi wena kusafuna umteacher futhi behavior futhi you understand ukuthi that's a problem lesihlangabetana na. Yeah.
That's why nginekusho ngithi inhlonipho isubject yasekhaya.
Yeah, yasekhaya. Hayi yasesikoleni.
Yeah, inhlonipho isubject yasekhaya. The reason why nyalo kuba matima kufundisa abantwana in anything it's because they lack respect.
Yeah, they do. I would say
because you cannot teach umuntu ongana respect.
Yeah.
Because yonke into uyabona umuntu ongafundziswa ekhaya na umfundzisi buye ubona ngathi uyam-attack. Yabona?
Akayadi vele
yeah. I was watching this other day lomnye mjita uthi lo mjita uma ngabe unemntwana ekhaya ubuye esikoleni adlala ama-video games, ma-TV games angendi lutho. Uthi lo mjita uma kwenteka undlule emhlabeni hamba naye lo mntwana. Because lo mntwana kwathi ukuthi yena uyabuya esikoleni akhumule emakawusi ekhishini there's someone lokufuna amlandzelela wadopha ewafaka elona. Uyabona? Uma sekasele nathi sesithi thina hayi na ubuya esikoleni washata indishi. Uthi siyamaphi.
Ungcono sohlala emaphayiphini
uyayibona lento. So ngile mfundiso lesikhuluma ngayo. Okay. Kunemntwana I was sitting nje abantwana bathi xoxela from a distance but ngiyabeva but I became interested. Umntwana entombazane. ufunza grade 10 uthi lo mntwana and naka grade 10 that means between 15 and 16 uthi lo mntwana mama solo mama ubuye namhla ekuseni solo wahamba Saturday ukhuluma ngaMonday morning ucocela abangani bakhe remember umntwana intombazana lo so na 16 sebayamshela so uyajola makwakhe uhamba Saturday ahambe ne-boyfriend not lelenye uhambe nalenye ucocela abangani bakhe uthi mama uhambile enakakahambi nasibanibani uhambe nasibanibani into le ngistrike kakhulu uthi lo mntwana akayiconclude uthi yena ene nami angifuna ngitshele nasengicale kwenta tinto because lento ngiyibone kuye uyayiva le
ngani ngibona it's a normal thing makwakhe njengoba ngisho ukuthi uyoletha different type of people empilweni yabantu abakho endlini lo sinalo mntwana kukahle ukuthi alethe umuntu la endlini because irrespect ayisekho la endlini
so uyayibona which means now to a certain point lo mntwana kufuna ende mama acover up because uma athi mama uhambile uhambe nabhuti izibanibani akakahambi nabhuti izibanibani shothi ibhuti izibanibani nakafika lo mntwana ufuna abe neplan yokuthi mama akekho uye kagogo
ufuna mcoverishele mntwana ufuna coverishele mama and mama uyathi ukuthi makabuyele ufuna buye nemama
akuphi ama-powers akho as a parent kusasa nasewuthi lokhu nalokhu angikufuni
kanti I think sometimes we need to understand ukuthi gona those days kuba i-parent bokucala uma usona ngakhi and uma usonani because nyalo to be a parent it's a norm mina ngesikhathi sami khathi kufunza thina umntwana leso sikhathi bongeti umntwana uphethe umntwana la kuwe la siswini bekungendeki kwasanhlobo vele ngazi kwantshitsha lento le yamusha kade education
so I just feel ukuthi uma maybe we can take few steps back even our leaders our community leaders not ama-politicians per se they do but ama-community leaders let's go back and revive lento yokuthi it's June 16 akubuye thina besibukela ama-bioscope akubuye i-big screen ifakwe lapha e-stadium kubitwe yonke iyouth igcoke i-uniform nabe ukuthi igcoke i-uniform ye lapha e-stadium yabo if needs be ukuthi babukele iSarafina bayibukele iSarafina just ukuthi ba-understand ukuthi what happened what led us to this day maybe bebanganciphisa kancane kuletinye tetini uyabona because as we speak now kunebantwana baphumile emakhaya parents are not aware ukuthi bakuphi when they come back they are pregnant when they come back they are pregnant when they come back they leave home health they come back sick but because some sicknesses they take time to show asibaboni ukuthi sebayagula abantwana their parents who are street vendors sending their kids to Johannesburg go there and start labantwana laboka nibo labagcwalisa ama-club aseJoburg nasePitori
nibo vele
uyabona then umntwana usuke ekhaya a-right a-health ekhaya wafike le wagula but because ukugula kuthatha isikhathi kukhombisa the moment acala kusebenza kuyamcinzetela kugula because now so too much ematshwaleni yonke lento leyo because now South Africa was sitting I think at 31%, 31 point something almost 32% wema-heavy drunkards daily nasikhuluma ngebantu labanatha every day yokuthi lo muntu lona is rare kumbona so we are sitting at 31% asikhulumi ngalaba labanatha nge-weekend labanatha ngema-special occasion labanatha nabaholile sikhuluma ngebantu bokuthi every day banatha and hayi ukuthi bathi mnandi necabu abacabu
heavy drinkers
31% eSouth Africa as we are speaking now.
And you remember in COVID kasi bavale tshwala bavale nelokuthi bakhala njani even in the government thina angesisanifunda phela i-brewery yakhala angesisanifunda because nivalile mos and ilona yethu se like le mali esiqale ye-taxation niyithola njani because nivalile tini and they had to open
Yeah. So that's the problem now, because when you check, we are corner lokubona ukuthi if 30% of population we can't and growing every day, madrunkards.
Kude ngosuku kwenteke.
Then uma ungena lamakhaya, ungena tukelikhaya kunagogo namkhulu, you'll find them sober most of the time.
Yeah.
Lenkinga icala kuphi? Short lenkinga ayikho le kuma pensioners.
Ile phansi.
That means we can safely say ukuthi labantu lawa lokukhuluma ngabo are adults and young adults and the youth. Lama percentage lesikhuluma ngawo yiwo lawo. Then we come back, and as much as we are among the top when it comes to HIV, when it comes to alcohol abuse, when it comes to drug abuse and all these abuses, now the problem is, the thing is now, sine problem, unemployment. That is, I think now it's almost 40%. Mpumalanga alone is sitting at 30 something. Just the province.
Yeah, on its own.
The province. That means in Mpumalanga, if we take away my pensioners and everything, you might find we have less than 30% people who are working. From the 30%, if you want to take out Bandabagma contract, then you'll find we have less than 15 or 20% people who are working permanently. That's the situation that we find ourselves in. But in the midst of this situation, we find ourselves consuming more alcohol. We find ourselves smoking like nobody's business. We find ourselves impregnating the teenagers every day. How are we expecting the status quo to change? That's the problem.
Yabona bobala lenye into ngcono wena ukhona lapha le NPO net nami ngichamukele inale idea of going to schools, maybe sifake lama projects and stuff. Then just stadium ngicabangile, but it was late because we need funding. Because many people, even including myself, sometimes I don't even remember what's happening about June 16. What's June 16, by the way? You understand? Because many, like after school, there are many people like bezirana lelkhishi nalo makelo walapha for kungathi abantwana ukuthi mabadle babuye esikoleni, but we find out ukuthi bekungasadli abantwana kuphela, bekusadla labantu abadala. Abantwana ngani ngalesikhathi basesikoleni bayadla esikoleni, bebanakwe ukuthi mababuye esikoleni batodla lapha lelkhishi, but only to find out ukuthi kutholakala lokudla sekuncane babafika babuye esikoleni bathola ukudla kudliwe abantu abadala konke. You understand? Sekude into lebo ufike bayende labantwana mababuye emakhaya, sekude ama-park sambile bekunama-park lana kunemijingo nana, there's nothing bekhona la.
Yeah, yabona issue ye-recreation, it's something that is very bad. Yabona umuva to the other side, we are ma cities and everywhere, you realize we are living in two different worlds. It can be one province, it can be even one area. About from here to Ekarim, these are two worlds. Yeah, not like Ekarim, these are two worlds. And I always tell Bandwana when you go to Karim, you won't find a bottle store, you won't find a tavern, you won't find a Magu and cars. Now the mindset of the child that is growing in that environment is different from the mindset of when you send a child a Lokshi on a Saturday, Sunday morning, Monday morning, holiday namhlanje kuthenga singo, uyohlangana nangabo abantu ababamba ibhili, labatsakiwe labathuka nabo. When he comes back, funa beyakubuza ukuthi mama, yini lokhu. You have to explain Tindo nawe that you are not part of.
And the worst part is that person that umbona lotsakiwe is your role model or she's your role model.
So those are the things that then you find ukuthi our parents really understand babona ukuthi what does it mean to be a parent. That's why we are parent usuke wenda. Because some parents cannot even explain behavior abantu ababo.
Akayati, there are two behaviors, but ne behavior sendlini behavior ngaphandle.
Yabona.
Nalo memntala sorry, nalo memntala ukuthi bekathi yena every day makaphuma, ekuseni uphuma kucala nalo mntwana. intombatana lo mntwana makaphuma lo mntana ogibela ibhasi lo mntwana makambona ugcoke isiketi lesithi mara makaphuma uyobuyela endlini ugcoke isiketi lesifishane every time akakwati manje lesiketi sihlala isila esikhwameni bathi siveta sithenze bahlale bangitshela maka akakuthembi lokho because umntwana wakhe la endlini uyena njani ngholy bathi lo maka lingenanga waluza le bhasi ngamabumu bakamthola uma uyaphuma it was something else.
Yeah, i-problem lidele kuloko angithi thine we grew up kuthiwa it takes a community, a village to raise a child.
Yeah.
Now things have changed. Even etikolweni thine we knew ukuthi uma esikolweni uyomosha. We always prayed ukuthi kungendeki ukuthi utholakale kule situation where your parents need to be called in esikolweni because what ukuthi that's double trouble. Now labantwana labasetikolweni yalo they prefer ukuthi you rather not punish me and call my parents because they know ukuthi wafonela abatali it's all over and done. Uyabona, but uma ngabe wena utongidiscipline then ngiyathi ukuthi inkinga ikhona. Uyabo, so these are the things ukuthi are we really as young parents understanding ukuthi what is our role to these kids? Uma unemntwana entombatana ekhaya, I know ukuthi some people will say hayi vele abantu abethu sibakhulisele ukuthi benze and all that, but uma ukhulisa umntwana entombatana ukhulisa makwemuntu
for future makwelikhaya for future
ukhulisa a mother of someone, ukhulisa
mother of the nation.
Uyabona, ukhulisa makoti wakulelinye elikhaya. Do you impart la malolo lawo kulo mntwana loyo? Lama values lawo uyawafaka ukuthi hey wena intombatana wathi kulala kuzekuphumelela. Wena intombatana ufuna uvuke ekseni wena lokhu nalokhu. Hey erumini lentombatana kwathi kuba so. Hey intombatana ayihlali so. Uyabona intombatana ibehave kanje and all these things so that they begin to understand ukuthi okay these are the rules. When it comes to the boys, one and the same thing. Uyabona, you are a boy. One day you will become a father. One day you will become a man. One day you will become a husband. Do we become a leader? Do we teach these young people to become better men of tomorrow? Whether they choose to be married or not, are they better men? Umhlaba i-community ito benefit ayingekuba khona kwakho. Now as a boy, as a teenager, kukhona into le benefithekako ngekuba khona kwakho. Or you are just bringing trouble.
Kuthi khona bayakuthi makuvele lo yalahleka ifoni yalahleka inini yalahleka uyabhema usowulela blackoutile nje lo ushaya mfati you understand. So that's like one thing I can say my brother, there are many episodes that I did that anganceda wonke abantu abaningi if they listen to them, but I can do one episode, maybe I can call a strip and ngendele episode leyo nayo strip let ikhulume nje ngikhohlakala nje into okuphethe. You understand, the podcast ingaphakama ifikele etulu le, but that's not my main aim for now. You understand, so lento le attract abantu kule negativity lehlala ikhona ukuthi ilo idonsa labantu every time njengoba usho ukuthi bancane abantu lebangathi batinika isikhathi ukuthi atinike isikhathi njengoba usho ukuthi from Friday till Monday so latinike isikhathi ahlele emabhukwini akhe makafuna kuphumula alale kumbe njani. Wonke umuntu ufuna kutinika isikhathi ungamake ngichaza ukuphi uthi akwakhona and lokho akumletheli lutho at the end of the day, but ngilendo le yendekalani le trendayo. You understand how many influencers njengoba sithi ukuthi kule industry bakhala ukuthi there are many DJs that are out there but they don't know how to DJ, but the way bagqoka ngakhona babe naked ngakhona nje abafana bena njani bahlale babitiwe eclubini bafuna to entertain abantu and they are making money with those people, but lento coba abayendi. You understand. Bengilalela ekhaya FM namuhla bebabite TK Ncinza nalomfana wakhe lo Siza. They were talking about ukuthi ukhula tuwe family yani ye music. You understand? Kulula usinayo adopt ini lento leya ye music. You understand? So thine ngikhula tuwe family ebinyanga ngiyabekisa. Mina ngifuni kuba inyanga. Baba noma ngathi uyangifundzisa because mangiphuma la endlini bangitshela ukuthi every day lana mawubuya washata indishi siganza mithi wena ama homework wakho ngiyabekisa. You understand? Lo muthi lo wena yini we don't take it because esikoleni bangitshele lokuyi. Nasekhaya bangitshela lokuyi. Emgwaqeni bangitshela yabona ukuthi una 318 ngesikhathi esiwa nasesontweni futhi bakutshela lokuyi. So vele ingqondo yakho seyilimele automatically. Uyangibisisa? Neku social media nekwakayo awendi lo kwala ekhaya and lokubalekile kokuqala ngilokwa ekhaya isikhathi esiningi because ukhulele khona ngiyilo lokufuna wathi usi la ekhaya ngema rules ala ekhaya asesikoleni ngema rules asesikoleni ufuna wathi kuthi adjust wena ufuna adjust mangila ngiphila so ngenda lokho mangila ngiphila so ngenda lokho but lento leyo intshintsha umuntu every time isikhathi esiningi and isikhathi lesiningi nina nihlale nalabantwana ezinini nima guidance wabo kanti ma guidance wabo bawashiye emakhaya sengigcine kungini guidance so uya confuseka nomntwana. You understand? Makafika esontweni bamtshela ukuthi hayi no laba ngasekho mademon. And papa ungitshela ukuthi yena lesikhwama leka sinazo unike ngigogwa wakhe unike ngibaba wakhe. Ngiyilo lesimendela imali nakufunakala emsebenzini. You understand? And le gift thothi welela kuye lo mntwana lo mara so sesontweni sebese bamconfuse. I-behavior yakhe vele sebene yena njani iyachange.
Yeah, mina nginalokuthi I once went to Echabza, I think it was 5 years, many years ago.
Say la ikhona khona kumbe le ndasi.
Ilapha. Oh. I didn't spend an hour lapha. Ngifike namachita mangifonela indoda seta ngalapho baseChabza yakhini. And I'm like, hey madoda mina ngizawuletha ngidiyama. But machita sekala they are from somewhere. Yabo sekufuna ngibakhaphe yabo.
Yeah.
One thing I've realized ukuthi these patients and they just become a joint assembly of learners from different schools.
Yes.
Now to mister lokuncane and uyacabanga dibuto ukuthi mara makwalo mntwana wakwalo mntwana bathukuphi ngoba lo mntwana na 16 na 15 now nyalo la uyabona
So esiqhebezana sakhe.
and then you think how are we going to stop all these illnesses that are coming every time? How are we going to stop teenage pregnancy?
It's not so easy.
How are we going to build? Because there are things that we need to stop to start another thing.
Yeah.
So if we can't stop certain things and certain behaviors to the young people, we are failing to start other things.
New things, yeah.
And young people, they should know, we would say, kulula kufunza into. Kodwa kumatima kokuthi ukhiphe lento losuyifundzile.
Yabo adjust kunjinja iroutine yakho kumatima.
Yeah. So these young people they are given too much room to explore.
Yeah.
Too much room to explore. Ngendlela yokuthi mina I was telling them this other thing. When you grew up besathi ukuthi uma uqhamuka umuntu lomtsala awudzingi ukuthi azatofika la kutshele ukuthi lento lo yentaka i-wrong. Besitshela ukuthi lento lesentaka i-wrong ukuthi lo muntu lomtsala usithole off guard. But uma qhamuka umuntu lomtsala because you are taught endlini right and wrong.
Yeah.
Nakaqhamuka umuntu lomtsala ngokuqala kuyekela lento noma usuke lapho kulendzawo leyo. Because uyathi ukuthi lento lo yenta la i-wrong.
Yeah, okay, continue.
Now ungaphuma la uhlangana nebantwana bajola la stradini umbone ukuthi lo ubeke uthenga singwa usabambe singwa nemacanza
and uthunyiwe nomuntu
but kuyofuna undlule because there's nothing you can do uma ungafika lapha uthi hey wena bakuthumile hambe ekhaya wena mfana wayo ummise lo the next thing so ne case uyeta makwalo mntwana akafuna ukuhlukunyethelwa umntwana uyeta babo umntwana akafuna ukuhlukubethelwa umntwana akhe uyadondlela lo mntwana wathi ungenaphi wena yonke lento leyo uyabona and it goes even nasetikolweni yabo there are parents who will literally come to defend umntwana akhe lo mntwana mina ngingena ema-toilet ngithi ngiya-check-a-check ema-toilet ngimthola ufase sipura lapha uyabhema ngimbamba nesipura sakhe esivutha ngiya naye ofisini siyasithatha lesipura siyasibeka we call in the parent kuthi lana kunenkinga leso afike lo mntali ayiphike lento because obvious umntwana utophika athi hey mina bengihleli nebantu lababhemako yes bangivile nginuka insangu but bayive ngoba bengihleli nebantu lababhemako saying leyo ya vele nakabhemi naserumini lakhe ngiyangena weyibona lento and the problem is uma ucala udefender the wrong doings yemntwana uyambulala lo mntwana
mama yangimele papa yangimele
umntwana ukhula angakhona ukuthatha responsibility hence now sinebantu labanabo 35 that are wishing that their parents were still alive not because there are things they wish to do for their parents but there are things they wish their parents could do for them.
That's true.
Umtsala sona two bantwana different mothers bantu abakha ubasupport but where you are sitting you are still wishing ukuthi hey kube olethu usaphila nyalo ngabe inkawusa ngiyisweli uyabona uyi-hot man by that time bantu abakho ngala bayakhula you are not present.
You know, Nyala, I'm having a big challenge there. Nginemntwana wentombazane, she's 8 years, if I'm not mistaken, this year. My parents, but we're not responsible parents sometimes. Now I'm on that point to blame. Because why I get to blame? We had an issue mina namagomntwana ukuthi ngathi because you understand. So umntwana wakhula wa raise ngagcina accept lelo ukuthi hey vele wami vele because of blah 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 blah. My mom tried to help me blah 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 blah. You understand? Nami lapho into better kakhulu. Ngi pass on my downs, yabo. So umntwana wami usuya ngathi lo ngipapa lo ngibani, yabo. Umntwana makahlala namhlanje amakwakhe. So lo mntwana nyalo we having a problem ukuthi uthi ngithi bekete ekhaya. Nyalo usakasethi ekhaya. Yabo? Because why? Bakwakhe usuyasebenza. Yabo? So sebenza ngcono. Uthi makwakhe amprovided. Tothi nekhaya ngathi asisamkhulu kumprovided. The way ayibunga khona yena. Lesikhathi makwakhe ngasebenza ibekete ekhaya because uyagogo utozamazama yabo. So nyalo having a challenge ukuthi mina mangide kufuna ngite ngiphethe something if ngithi ngaphatha something ukuthi nakaphuma endlini. Ungitshela njalo. Ngithi sesingiyedwa usuphethe ngithi ngaphatha ukuthi angeke ngiphuma ungaze ukuhluka. So yayibona yayiva le nto usingilimata kanjani? Yangilimata kimi nyalo. Uthi ngithi ngifuna ngiphathe yini ukuthi ngiphathe le 100 rand. Cabanga umntwana lona less than 10 years old uthi ngiphathe le 100 rand. Ngiletinye leti sikhawadako in future ukuthi labantu abethu ngathi asisabathanda kanti siyabathanda. So mina I need to go and hustle 100 rand ukuthi ngiyolethwa nomntwana. After 100 rand kulenzela malini? Yayiva the challenge lenguyo nya. Ngiyamfonela kanti utanini ngisi uthi wena ngiyede musi ngaphatha 100 rand uthi wena solo hlule exam 100 rand. We understand that into sihlangana nayo. I quit alcohol because most of the time I was lucky ukuthi bengathengeli utshwala and I'm that person ngithanda media and ngiyabhetha sometimes because media can build you and media can kill you. If makomntwana kangibona makomntwana angibona kuma status ngifake ma champagne kumbe ngifake whatsoever bottle ngifakile lapha kumbe whatsoever ngikunathako lapha ngifake ukudla lokumnandi ngigcoke kamnandi uthi nginani nemali ngathi mina no bangilonile what do you call this thing bangithengele. She won't believe that.
Yeah.
Why bakuthengele? Why bahluleka ukuphi imali ukuthi uthengele mntwana for something? There are so few people that you can go to them with dog. Mntwana nami nyalo it's winter ne? And I need money ukuthi ngimthengele timbali. There are so few people like that. But if you can go to a person ukuthi ngiphethe inywane ngubani wami, eyisana inywane blind, asengicela kuyibona ukuthi ngikahle ngifakele 1.5 mntwana eduyishana. There are many people that can do that. But ukuthi weninde lena ngcona, there are so few people like that. So their behavior yalo mntwana yabona uthi seyashift yamoshakala. And ngithi mina no ahle umntwana abuye ahlale ngala uthi yena ngingahlale ngala. Because ngale khaya kubo kunebantwana bema siblings labanye. Lapha na vele ithe ukhuletwe uwathi usimabuye endlini. Mabuye esikoleni uyodlala nebantu abakubo. Mabuye ekhaya angadlale namuntu. Yabona ukuthi lento soyalimala lo mntwana automatically. we could see the fanana because there are many challenges. We can see labantwana bafika because sometimes you don't have you also now anini nesikhathi ukuthi mhlambe lingena nibite ama social worker ukuthi let talk to those kids laba lapha esikoleni ukuthi what's wrong with them, why bad behavior so you understand mabafika esikoleni bafike bathola i-playground labanye you understand uyathi mafika endlini ziyakhala mama udeyithana lo myebhuti ngoba nguyelo obhadala i-rent laphana labahlala khona ngoba nguyelo bathengela kudla but mama uhlala ashajiwe akakhona ukunitshela wena uthi kutomfundisa lo mntwana le when babanini nesikhathi kubona ukuthi labantwana kufika ama-social worker bakhulume nabo labantwana they don't have that time and wena ufuna assignment yakho ufuna homework ufuna whatsoever le mpilo ilimala lapho as even ne-education system iyalimata vele because lokhu abasakweni ngithina nesikhathi sethu my brother bekwendeka lokho ukhulume ama-problems wakho ukhulume bekuba nebelungu bele kutosifundisa nyalo kusekude umlungu lokhona lokho ngathi kuna more than 15 years 20 years belungu singababoni bangena la lokushini bele kutofundisa la ekolweni what went wrong like wena ngesingama-mouth yabu because thina was expecting ukuthi thina besibhanyula dog bebabita amaphoyisa if une problem uhluphe esikoleni bebabita amaphoyisa at Kroncham it was legal on that time and it was helping let's kuwe ngawo uthi vele ugcinele kokugcina njengathi besicinele kokugcina vele yabo education was not in our side but siyazama ukuthi sizame something open ama podcasts zame la sizama khona understand because asingithi sonke bekunema drama bekunema choir kunako konke nama athletic everything those things now ayikho nyalo batho thatha abantwana baba mix ezubo ofunza silwana ibanceda ngani silwana why bangathi mayeni ma enhle la ibangeni ma enhle ama athletic dog as you say ukuthi why namhlanje kungabi mhlambe ne stage e stadium big there are many people that they can do that it's cheap I won't spend even na 3000 if I'm not mistaken kufaka on stage lapha abantwana batobukela Sarafini kumba ubukele whatsoever big drama whatsoever like from like let call angeke bakhona ukukwenda lokho but akube tshwala bito igigi bito DJs banibani bito Caesar ukucula isakala vuthi uyobuya ngo6 bantwana bakuculela lento le but angeke bakutshele ngedrama and abafuni ukutshela ngedrama so we killing one another every day in this environment and wena njenganyalo njengoba ngithi mina ngimile etshwaleni if wena ngito promote lento le bathi uyahlanya ngoba yena soyekile etshwala ucela utshela ukuthi ngibani you understand so that's the problem sometimes because we preach lento le you can preach that thing in 30 people maybe there are 2 people or no one don't ofuna we understand lento le show and kuba buhlungu but the more si give up like lento le yes limata kakhulu I mean I'm telling you because like I used to work ngisukela ngepinari into shoot episode ngitnyaba ngana mali ukushoot episode ngana mali ukugibela taxi nyalo ngihostong ngwengile ama snacks akho nathi cold drink yakho you understand but you always motivate me ukuthi boy ngatho lahle le side lo ubuchamuka ngalo ukuthi your first thing lo le podcast yakho before it can change any game change is in pull it down that's true nami ngifake more effort in it kani ngiyalahla you understand kahle ngiyeke lithi ranele ngichubeka ngale podcast because that podcast is going to be a biggest platform ukuthi abantu bafike ba express bancede labanye abantu because we having lot of role models as now we role model abantu njoba ngisho ukuthi many episodes leswashutile bantu ngesibangaya kwalalela bakuva ukuthi uthini lapha you understand but angeke bancane abantu abatofuna ukukuva lo and akusi wrong sengafika ngaleso sikhathi leso and nyalo just imagine namhla ngithola kuthanda ngithole ukuthi ne someone out engijwayele ishonile but ngisengapha ukuthi ubulawa yini but sometimes angisabi nalendo lokuthi kakhulu ubulawa yini because kuyafana ngisamvusa gona those days benginayo ubulawa yini inene hayi yabona lento leyo because I was dumb that time namhla ngivela omunye futhi and I'm talking about people that are less than 35 years old bashonile namhla ngivela omunye bathi ushonile like what's happening and I always say with guys ngifake kuma social media with guys name umoya lemibi levu ngathi and ibamba labantwana lamancane nya you used to see nama club ubone ukuthi uvathi umuntu uvuke emafufiyana umunye umuvuke ini but uthi wena yathi mina ngivisa kuhlungu uthi mina ngeke kwendeke kimi lo
yeah problem lekhona it's entertainment uyabona ungathi understand wena ukuthi uhlobo luphi lomuntu angeke understand ukuthi what is your entertainment yabona so abantu labaningi bathatha into lento way majority balandzele yona and unfortunately abantu labaningi nyaro njengoba usho banise bayasaba kumabodwana
basaba
yabo baningi bantu whether it's politics ma-union whatever kunebantu labajoyine into just because the majority is there kunebantu that are wishing ukuthi labanye ngathi ngifuniye lapha kulelo yeah kunebantu that are wishing ukuthi namuhla ngathi bangayekela into lethile. But because the majority is still doing it, ngitobonakala ngathi sengicela ngcono. Uyabona ngitotena uyabona kuningi lokwendeka. Yabo siphila elokishini one thing. I always say why elokishini umuntu lophila impilo le straight abukeke njengebhala.
Yeah. No inkinga ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi imajority yenda lokuya. So loya those guys akekho kuwe majority. And those nguyelo nenkinga. Yeah. Inkinga lo into le right side kusi. Yeah.
So now young people yes siyababona bayayithanda entertainment. The thing is they need to understand one thing. Ukuthi if you don't have any skill to sell, to provide for yourself, to sustain impilo yakho, you will be forced to sell yourself.
Yeah, that's true.
Yabo. So leli ngileqiniso lokufuna balala but okay nyalo wena you are at that age lokuyo uyi teenager uyi young adult ngiloloko uyashisa. But knows ukuthi there are other people that are coming up. Yabona. It happens to music, it happens to life, it happens everywhere. So you need to think for tomorrow. If your body can no longer sustain your life, what is it that you are going to do to sustain yourself? If you are no longer that charming, what is it that you are going to do to sustain yourself? That's the preparation for the future. That's the preparation for tomorrow. Now, okay, kuna challenges empilweni. Everyone is challenged.
Yeah, we are.
Your parent is challenged to wake up every day. It's a challenge.
Yeah, it is.
Your parents is challenged sometimes ukuthi nanoma ubhetha kanganani still kufuna kuthanze akunakekele as umntwana. It's a challenge.
Yeah, it's a huge one. Yeah.
There are people labama breadwinner emakhaya kubo. It's a challenge. Usebenzele labanye bami. It's a challenge. Yabona kunabo malume kunabo sesi labasebentako labondla emakhaya but one thing and one thing for sure is that ungacabangi ukuthi everyone lokhona nyalo to assist you or to make you to go throughout the week or throughout the day ungalambanga that person will be there forever. At some point when I always say take advantage while usesenebantu labakunceda.
Yeah.
Because that time will come labatotse endoda tibona uyabona kubhlungu uyethu kwemuntu wathi ukutsala umuntu lona ngathi ngiyokhala kuye vele ngiyancedakala afike kutshela ukuthi endoda kunini ngikunceda
and uyamsona and right
uyolimala impilo yakho yonke ulimada ukuthi lo muntu finally sokutshela ukutshela iqiniso sendoda
I'm tired
sengiyasindwa la uyabona because naye lo muntu unempilo yakhe ngala umndeni wakho uyakhula ama responsibilities akhe ayakhula angeke asakunakekela. Yabo we family members my siblings lesingasavani kahle nyana
because of such things.
Why? Because they fail to understand as much as they grow now you are growing. As much as now my responsibilities abo akhula ne akho ayakhula. If you are saying hey dot bengivamile ukuthi ungakhala nga something provide a fast but nyalo kutofanele ulinze maybe 2 or 3 months before ngikwendela that thing
akasekhona understand
uyabona
so ngimfaki ngimfati wakhe
uyayibona yonke lento leyo. So that's why we are saying to young people yes kuliqiniso lokuva ukuthi sonke angeke siphile ngesikole but now the challenge is njengoba wena uthi angeke uphile ngesikole ithini plan uyophila ngani uyabona yes bakhona vele labangeke baphile ngesikole is true but wena personal uyophila ngani.
Yeah.
Yabo. Siyakunderstanda konke lokunye yonke lento lentekayo siyayibona.
Yeah.
But wena as an individual uyophila ngani. We understand your parents are still around.
Yes.
We understand room ekhaya. Are you going to take your wife to that room? Are you going to raise your kids in that room? No, that room it's only for you while you are still a kid to a parent. When you become a parent to someone, now you need to provide a shelter for that person. Uyokwenda njani lokho? Yes, unemaphupho, you want to have a perfect family. A perfect family need you to provide for that family. What is it that you have in place, in plan to say, this is what I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to provide for my family? Is it sustainable? Kuthi utoprovidela ngayo ifamily yakho lento leyo. Uyabona? Because this thing yokuthi hayi mina akhona ama-roadman la elokishini anako konke mara akasebenzi.
Nawe ufuna kuba part and parcel ngalabantu
mangaki lamanye ama-roadman langasebenzi langanalutho. Because you have to
compare.
I once said lenye intwana ngiyifundzisa le ntwana namantwana la repha nekuhlala nayo ngithi kuse buka wena inkinga yakho uyekela sigele ufocus kakhulu kuloko enyalo lokhu ukhona kukwenda ngoba uyakhona kupayitela le mali labakunika yona ukukhera endlini uhambe uyo record ingoma in an event la ungasete esikolweni ungasayitholi le mali how are you going to record le ntwana yathi mama mina ngidropa grant mina naba bozibani bani ba drop out esikolweni banemali. I asked this boy ukuthi look, okay, what you are saying is true, but to a certain degree better, because how many people drop out the same year that very same person dropped out? Where are they today?
No, abayinakile negative, banakale positive.
Because kuningi lokwendekako, yes, you are thinking. Number two, look at the family background. Look at the family background. Angeke wena uthi compare nemuntu lo wathi asese underground artist but bekahamba ayoperformela 500 rand afike ngemoto yakubo.
And le 500 rand ekhaya bayifuna ukuyifuna.
Uyayibona
that's el petrol akathi yakhe.
Uyayibona. So all we are saying to young people, let us be responsible. Let us be responsible. Ngoba now already impilo yakho say rana it's
in danger.
And daily life yakho idzinga imali longakacali wena kuyenda. Because wena every day ufuna kubhema isigarette leyi-1 imali ubhema kayi-4 kayi-5 kayi-6 ngelilanga. But you can't make imali ya-6 masigarette wena ngelilanga awuyeni. The second thing, so ungenile ngala uyajola.
Alcohol.
Ngala usetshwaleni. Ngala ufuna kuhamba tonke letindzawo letihanjwako. When do you have time to build yourself for tomorrow?
We don't have time.
Now, sine problem etikolweni. I think it's across all schools in South Africa. The problem is teenage pregnancy. Okay, ikhona ke teenage pregnancy and everything. Now the problem is, when are we sitting these kids down? Lama programs bokhuluma ngawo to say, yes, siyayibona lento iyendeka, but these are the consequences.
Senda njani? Siwafisa njani? Sibanceda njani?
When bo auntie nabo sesi and all these people labakhona elokishini who are females nabahleli nalabantwana babatshelani labantwana wena uhleli la uhleli khona na uhleli nabantwana bemantombazana umsesi lo batshela bona itsini behavior yakho phambi kwalabantwana labo ufuna ufundisa abantwana bokuthi how to date multiple guys bangatani bangatholi uyabona yonke lento leyo ke amapiya i-weekend nane i-weather kwabanza everyone ku-status u-uploada nge-weather as if it's something that is new uyabona i-weekend enkulu in awunayo nemali enkulu but uma nge-weekend enkulu uyabona all these things because mina ngathi ukuthi kuphatha njani sometimes ubona kukhutwa i-character yakho komntwana lomncane because that's the future you uyabona ukuthi letinto lokukhalwa ngato kulo mntwana uyawutitholela kuwo because wena uhleli naye lo mntwana umcocela ya mina ngiyabati bafana mina ngiyabati bafana sesingake ngaba nalomunye wakalamathulu 1 2 3 you are teaching these kids wena ucabanga ukuthi uyabacocela nje bahamba nalento leyo labantwana
Aish, because even in social media, my brother, social media is killing, TV is killing. But if you can check very well, Google TV, how many programs are there that they're teaching the future thing that's gonna happen? There are none, I think. In TV, social media is West dog. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. I mean, like TikTok, I find something the very marvelous. This thing is not working. Try to compare the South Africa, the China. Buka bantwana base-China, buka bantwana base-South Africa. Bathathe negama lelo ba-edit lama video. Very much South Africa se-China.
I-problem le problem ye-parenting. Le problem ye-parenting. I had a friend, a varsity friend. Unemntwana. This other time wake wangitshela ukuthi uyothengela umntwana wakhe ifoni. Umntwana bekana 4 years. The problem now, the question is, umntwana lona 4 years one, where yathi ifoni ukuthi isebenzani? When you buy umntwana lona 4 years ifoni uthi yokwendani?
Ungena TikTok.
Yabo, yokwendani?
Buka bokhokho mina.
Ayangihlupa, uhlala wisifoni yami and all those things. Wena ngesikhathi sakho bongayibamba iNokia le 5110 yemuntu lomdzala bongeke why because you respected into yomlomdzala ngendlela lokhuliswe ngayo
Tsine siyimosha ukuthi mina ngifuna umntwana amakhulu the way ngikhule ngakhona
the problem is there will be always things lokhule ngato lotsinga ukuthi ukhulise abantwana
bakho that's true
kutokhetha lokunye but kunetinto letingumgogodla letende wena ube ngilomuntu longuye nami if you take away those things ubabulele abantu bakho yabona ubabulele so this thing is sonke asikhulanga ngendlela le right sonke siyafisa kwangazothi ngabe sakhula ngendlela lethile but the problem ukuthi uma ukhipha letinto letenda wena ube ngilomuntu longuye namuhla sho ukuthi labantu abakho angeke babe kulabantu bekufanele babe ngibo kusasa
angeke vele
because wena ukhiphe lento lenda wena waba nguwe kubo sebona angeke basakhona kuba ngibo yabo then you come back and say yeah mina ngathi ngangalona mina bese ngenta 1 2 3 ngathi ngangalo bengikwati kupheka bengitiwashela but nangu wakho semdzala nakule age lo bekusangaya akakwati kupheka akwati kwasha akakwati kwenda charity
ngilendo le labalimatela bona labantwana lama university because labantwana bafuna data nebantu abadzala in order babathengele yini ma fast food because they don't know how to cook and wash you understand so ngilendo lebayendani sebaphila lenye impilo lengasingiyo
so konke kubuya kithi mina I always say uma umdzala utithola in a space la kunebantu labancane khona give them direction give them direction uyabona kuwo wonke umuntu ophilako akekho umuntu ophila in an island akekho umuntu ophila ngabukwa it's just that ukuthi wena you cannot see ukuthi kunebantu abakubukile uyabona because bakhona abantu bokuthi they are inspired by your hard work irregardless whether you have achieved or not kwanyaka but just your hard work when they look at you labanye noma bahlele khona bayasho bathi fana nabo sibani bani bukuyazama one day ukuthi ohlangana
but wena nganisola ukakufa lokho
wena awukahlanganisi lutho la ukhona khona but there is someone that buka sibani bani uyabona uyakuthi lo mjida loyo wayicala nini mina even namhla kunema businessmen around elokishini bantu batokutshela ukuthi wena loya uke wawa loya uyabona wawo sibani bani wasebenza kagezana wenda in wacala kancane washonisa nyalo so ona two ma fast food lamakhulu uyabona now adodo sho ukuthi musilende yasebenza it gives you hope ukuthi nawe noma uyini you have to stand up and start something yabona because impilo yokudependa especially when you are a man
it's tough.
There are conversations that you will die without having because you are poor.
Maningi kakhulu.
Yeah, kunetinkulumo longeke ukhulume kunebantu longeke ukhulume nabo just because of your status. And I wish young men and young people should understand ukuthi women in particular, women are materialistic people. And it won't change today because me and you sesifuna data, sesifuna kuba nebafana. Women, they will always look at what you have, your potential.
What you can provide to them.
They will always look at that. Some people, they think ukuthi bona they are rejected. You reject your status, not well. Because the very same person that rejects you, if you come back tomorrow, a better person, that person will take you. So, by rejector status, with understanding you would at some point, Imbilo has nothing to do, none, but Imbilo, if not good, to provide.
Eish, kambe the topic lelenye
angicabanga
siwathashe yeah, that's a problem. Namhle kuseni bengishayele 30 second clip ngifake TikTok ngithi indoda madoda nyalo ane problem because afuna kuva ngalinye indoda kanti madoda kufuna abonisane and something but nyalo madoda nyalo afuna kuva ngalinye indoda those dots abakopseko phela la so if mina ngitova ngawo because mina ngikubona ngoba wena ulapha angibathi ukuthi ufike njani lapha so mangifika kunya ufuna wena ungitshela ukuthi mina ngendeni kanti ngabe siyabonisana phela nyalo kubonisana kusekho nyalo wena ufuna ngive ngawo lelanga uwa phasi wena mina solo nawo tosi ngiwamongo because ngiyathi ukuthi mawufikile lapha ekhawasho upaka imoto yakho so ngimlanzele isitulo lapha unathwa namuhle nana ngiva ngawo wena yangifisa namhlanje nganazi le black nasi Hennessy into nasi XO wena nasi le VSOP understand ngiva ngawo why ungevi ngami nami why singabonisani madoda kufuna sibonisane because that's the reason madoda lamaningi doda babo bulahlekile because of ngamanye amadoda abayendile lento le because wena uvuke ngokuthi bakulonile bakufakile lapha and bakutshela usenda sona so if ungasendi lokhu nalokhu siyavala so wena uyofuna kuyenda lento le kulomnye umuntu that's a problem
kunesifo yangilokita ngesifo that is growing especially emalokishini when you raise a child kwendeka kakhulu kulabantu abakhula esithi bakhula kahle when you raise a child to an extent yokuthi you kill the hunger to succeed kulo mntwana lo uyambulala lo mntwana kunebantu lobabona ukuthi barelaxile and it's unfortunate ukuthi labanye bakhona they are even proud to say hayi kwaphotha labantu labadzala lapha yonke lento wena la uhleli at age 35 ugadze boma kwakho nabakwakho that have just pensioned a few years ago ukuthi bashone boyi2 so that you inherit everything uyabona usesenesibinzi sokuthi wena uyaceda that's why kulento yokwakha ifuture there's one thing that we need to understand ukuthi you are not building from the same level yabo mina endlini uma mina nginganamali the entire family has nothing uma mina ngigrand the entire family is grand sekunemuntu wokuthi une backup edladlini uyaphusha but uma awa uwele edladlini mina uma ngiwa ngiwela phansi yabo kunemuntu lakati ukuthi I'm spending this 1,000 because tomorrow if I need 500 I will go to my parents. Kunemuntu lophuma stand but uyakhona kufonela endlini athi ngigcwaliseleni ifridge yami empty. And wena ufuna kufana nalomuntu loya when you are out on the street. Utoba ne problem.
Yeah, you have a problem. Ngani lento esho no dad kuthi ngubani.
Yeah, because sine si provide ama families, not just us alone. Ufuna provide the family yakho, make sure bantu abakho ba right, make sure ukuthi ekhaya kini ba right, bantu abakini ba right.
Now right.
Uyabona
nawo bala girlfriend.
Sho ukuthi wena uma budget. Kufuna kube khona imali leku access at any time. Because i-calling angena at any time ngeke as little as 100 rand. And le mali ufuna iphume kuwe because the entire family ibuke wena.
Ngilabanye abantu labakubita ukuthi black tax mabatselela.
No, bantu labangafuni ukuthatha i-responsibility. They will always call it a black tax. And I always say, mina to a certain degree I have a love and hate for English. Because English yenda abantu bakhuluma into labange bakhuluma ngeSwati.
Yeswati, kuba inhlamba.
Yeah, just because English. Yeah, I once had a presentation kulenye lisondo ngipresentela youth ngathi mina uyabona ngalendlela singayi understanding ngayi English say misuse and is embrace into eti wrong in English. Yabo utohlangana boseswethu laba memetani lamgwaqeni hey bitch kube mnanzi into lemnanzi bahagana but leligama lelo mangaliletha mina ngeSwati ngavulwa necase.
Ivalga.
So the understanding yetindo, it's very important. Let's understand tindo. Before you understand tindo, do you understand yourself? So that now to understand what ukuthi la ngangena. But la ngengena. Lokhu ngakwenda, lokhu angenkwenda. Lokhu ngakwenda but mina ngifuna ngikwende so. Uyabona? So that say avoid tonke letindo leti. Uyabona? Because lempilo yokufuna kuyobona. Lempilo yokufuna kugcwalisela, lempilo yokufuna approval point niyo lesidonsela emuva.
That's why igcwele emajele, igcwele emathuneni because ngokugcwaliselana.
Yeah, ngiyo lento lesibisela emuva because uyabona na uphila impilo yokugcwaliselana. You are hating every day. You are forced to spend the last cent. So that ugcwalisele. You are forced to dress a certain way so that ugcwalisele. You are forced to dress in certain shops, drink certain beers, smoke certain cigarettes, so that ukhona kwenda njani kugcwalisele. Uyabona? Kunetinto abantu labatenda in public that they know ukuthi alone they wouldn't do, private they wouldn't do.
Angeke.
Uyabona? And the system has captured that. That's why when you go to any club, any law, they know they always have to have these things, these things of free cocktail for first 100 females and all that, because they know the more they are females, all the males that will come, they would want to prove their power to these females. Then they spend beyond local expectation. So these are the things. Go to Amastats, Ayatusa. All of them. Ubuke unemployment, ubuke teenage pregnancy, ubuke alcohol abuse, ubuke yonke lento. These things they build kuleti timo lesinato nyalo. Into lesikhala ngato sithi abantu bayabulalana, kuyadlengulwana, abuse and all these things. Umnyombo wayo yonke lento le. Lendlela sesiphatha ngayo. Lendlela sesenda ngayo ti. Lendlela sesingasahloniphani ngayo. Lendlela nempilo singasayihloniphi ngayo.
Asihloniphi. Ahloniphani asihloniphi impilo awudihloniphi kwasa wena. Yathi kubhlungu wena mayibhala ukuthi wena self awudihloniphi. Uyoshaya silalo from Friday. Wena ufuna ukuprove ukuthi mina ngishaya silalo from Friday till Monday. Lo mtimba wakho uthini? Uphinza ucoca ngayo. Lo munye uba ne point ukuthi bangishaya ibhandi. Mhlamba nje wevusa bangishaya ibhandi 2 guys. Bazibona batshanga. Into lekufuna icoce kusasa esikoleni.
So I think ngiloko and also one last thing nje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi young people should learn ukuthi the first step ye-growth is understanding. Understand isimo sasendlini. Thina sikhuliswe ngaloko ukuthi you can ask for something phela eminyaka and you will understand ukuthi vele batala bayihlanganise le mali ayikho. Uyabona?
Bede le mali yelo endulo uyifunako. But yalokunye kuthi wena ukhona exam ulala udlile. Ungqono bayazama.
So you understand isimo sasendlini and you understand ukuthi I can't live a certain lifestyle kwamanje.
Kwamanje yeah for now.
And you even understand ukuthi this lifestyle I will never live ngemali ebatayi. Le into lokufuna mina ngikhule ngithi provide le yona. Uyabona? Some of us we knew ukuthi into letiningi lebe stifisa na lebe stibona emakhaya baqale ukuthi bona ngathi. Into letiningi lesikhule ti enjoy ngilabanye bantwana sitibona abantu abethu bathi enjoy nya. Uyabona? So you need to be patient with yourself. You need to be patient. Today you are here. Njengoba umntwana uphila nge-affordability yabatali bakho. You can't assist your parents to raise you. You can't. The only thing you can do is to listen to your parents. That's all. But you can't assist your parents financially. Kuthi wena so uyaphuma so hamba wenda lokwana. Those are the things that be patient. Things are happening. One person once said there are two things that are happening when you pray. It's either God prepares what you are praying for you, or God prepares you for what you are praying for. So when you tend to give up while God is preparing you, prepare lendo.
So to be
there when I saw 5 years on. So
ngani nawe uyabona noma ungenile those fast food ukuthi if ungena to a restaurant it takes maybe mhlambe 10 minutes ukuprepare lokudla sende ukuthi uyafika ushaya drive through uma ucompare lokudla nale price akufani you understand but njengoba uthi le impatient ukuthi yesihlula you understand kani mabakupreparela wena so ubuta umankani sola kubuyi sebene njani ngale bajahe mawubuya ngala akusasi the way bokufuna ngakho
say problem. So yeah, young people they should abehlise kuphapha.
Yeah, no, like
to put it bluntly, young people abehlise kuphapha.
Yeah.
And abayekele kufuna impilo impilo yema adults babancane. Yabona? Impilo nje lefuna imali ungasebenzi akusi impilo yakho le. Irregardless ukuthi uyithanza kanganani, uyifensa kanganani, iphilwa kanganani phambi kwakho. Ifuna imali, awunayo imali, awungeni la.
Yeah.
So that people will understand. One day, invite event. I told them, sometimes I even laugh at myself to the decision that I make. Because I made a decision to say I will never attend an event where I need to pay for VIP. I need to attend an event invited as a VIP. I should be the VIP.
Yeah.
Not me buying a status.
Yeah.
Because
you get
to understand because when you've paid that means this person is the VIP.
Not you.
When you are not a VIP, you bought a status. VIP because organizers, event organizers to say this one deserves to be there. When because you don't deserve to be there, you don't qualify to be there, you need to pay to be there. So I think let's not start it serious as young people. It's serious to these small things. It's serious because this thing of expecting someone else to take you serious while you're not serious, it's a problem. It's a problem. Young people are out there, they don't love themselves. The way they treat themselves, the way they behave, the way they expose themselves into danger. But it's hands.
So it's Tanzania.
But do you can you able to do that? Because I believe someone should come to my life and look at the way I treat myself, then improve from that. So uma ngifika la kuwe uti treat nje mhlaba kusho ukuthi nami kufuna ngifike nami ngikutreat-e budlabha worse because nguthola vele uphila budlabha. So those are the things because tiyahlupha leti ndawo our parents are living very soon they will leave. The problem is when they leave kunetindlu lothina undlala elokishini ilisizi indlu ibuka nawe utibude ukuthi nje lapha kuyadliwa. The parents left the house in good condition. But you can't improve the house. You can't take care of the house. It's decaying ukhona ulapha endlini.
So but into lebhlungu ukuthi labatali akusahambi wona sekuhamba thina that's the painful thing leyentekalako because of njengobala because of our behavior. I-behavior yethu is really bad. Gcina sekushona thina batali bethu banqoba thina. Batali bethu balandzela after ukuthi une-stress ukuthi umntwana nami lo bengithi mina utophila ngcono kunami. Sengigcwabene mina. Semina sengihleleleni namhlabeni. Because the main purpose ukuthi umntwana wakhe ukutala ukuthi nawe ube better than him or her. So wena if so better yena uyosalelani mase yena sekagcwabeni. You understand? So now when uyakhala ukuthi umntwana mungishile but bengakushiyela ukuthi wena uhlupheke and le nhlupheko leyo bekakushiyela yona ukuthi ufunze njoba bekakunika isikhathi usifunza la. You understand? Ube nenhlanhla ukuthi ukuniketile le opportunity labanye abakazange bayithola. You understand? Labanye abatali njoba usho abantu abanye abaningi laba lapha ukuthi bafuna ukushare story tabo bancane bafuna ukushare story tabo teliciniso. Abantu bafuna ukushare story tabo temanga esikhathini esiningi and ma role model ebani umuntu yoshare amanga like we're talking about kuba counselor ngiyabhekisa ukuthi truly speaking if ul counselor nama counselors isinawo counselor they don't really deserve ama counselor. You need to find out my requirements because this person to be a counselor kudzingeka ini to be a leader kudzingeka ini. Are you really a leader now? You're not. So that's the reason uthola labantu labo mase kufuna baphume power babakhipha out because bamfake ngemistake ozo wabathengela tshwala wabatshela ukuthi obendela lokhu nalokhu and maseka lapha phakathi only to find out lento lebeka expect ukuthi uyenda lapha phakathi ayisendeli naye sokufuna into yakhe leseva yena akasa letithembiso ebantwini akasakhona divet sikufuna balekele labantu lebamfaka lapha only to find out labanye abantu labahlala lapha kule environment le akasaqala la bekahlala khona so shiftile but counselor lapha kulenzawo le so shiftile ngenxa ukuthi lento lebeka ithembisile akusasingile and mase bafuna umkeep out akasafuni. Mina I like a president like Thabo Mbeki wavuma ukuthi akhishwe because bebangamfuni ngani and he's a true leader. So if bangikhipha ona ebride iqiniso lo kufanele uthi defend ukuthi bathi wena urape umntwana esikole and you know very well ukuthi awukakwendanga lo but if the way wena utobaleka ngakhona it means ukwendile. You understand? So ngilendo lethi neleshaya kwesikhathini esiningi ngema leaders wethu laba lapha ukuthi they are not really pure leaders ukuthi abase ma leader eliqiniso bangene lapha ngenxa ukuthi bayithengile lento leyo. That's the reason bangafuni kwena njani kuphuma maseba lapha. You understand? I'm really a father? No, I'm not. Because ngimdalile lo mntwana, ngimdalisile lo mama bomntwana ukuthi abe nemntwana. Ngiyendani mina ngalokho? Ngihluleka ku-act. You understand? So ngihluleka ku-actor anyway. So ngihluleka ku-actor and now I'm a father by ukuthi ngibaba wasibani but we are actor njengalo baba losibani qobo na. Only to find out some eggs because sometimes it's in the kuba mbabe sifuna ukuthi ube nemali but ukuthi ushow up ukhona kumkhombo lo muntu athi anginayo imali that's key. You understand?
I-problem ye-shortcut i-problem ye-shortcut as sikhulumile earlier kokuthi inkinga yebantu I don't know why we are too slow to learn from nature because lapha ekhaya kunesihlahla lesikhulako sihlanyelwe siniselwe until size sikhule kubesikhathi sokuthi nyalo sesiya-enjoy amthundi enjoy ama-fruits aso but thina we don't want to follow lendlela leyo uyabona and once we are even failing to choose ma-role models because when I want to become an older person yabo lo muntu lona uqale waba mfana wenda amaphutha ekufana wakhula waba jaha wenda amaphutha ekujaha uyabona step by step uyabona lo muntu lo mbona namhla hamba ngemoto uqale wahamba ngetinyawo wahike wahamba ngeTaxi wahamba ngebhasi namhla unemoto wena ufuna ukujumpa onke lama steps uvela uhambe ngemoto ekugcineni uyaganga bakhona bomkhwanazi bakususa
Yeah.
uyabona
Yeah.
so those are the things ukuthi mina I feel ukuthi even nebantu that succeed babe deep down bathi kanti basucceeda ngendlela le wrong bathi sometimes ngathi ungawugeza nembeza wakho intwana nayithi ufuna kufana nawe uvela uyitshela ukuthi intwana ungafuni kufana nawe yeah ungafuni ungafisi nakwakhe kodwa nje ungafisi kufana nawe because kunebantu bokuthi deep down they know uyabona mina I always say don't choose a role model umuntu ongeke akutshele ukuthi ufike njani afike khona ungamkhethi lo muntu because that person is not a role model because uyathi ukuthi ngalendlela afike ngayo lapha cannot direct anyone naye kungathiwa ka reverse oqala phansi angeke safika lapho nakhona
ngeke vele
so ngiletinye tetinto lokufuna sitifundise tona ukuthi yes tinto letinhle kufanele utinabele but netinto lokufuna utinabele uziyofa
yeah very ngifuna ukuwamkela
ufuna letinto yathi lokho yokunabela uze ufe uyabo and it's part of
life
impilo uyabona kunemaphupho lamanye langeka fezeke lamanye it's for your own good just because wena award ngiyabo kunebantu bokuthi if they got imali lethile at younger age bebange bakhule babe bancane
bayofa
bevele bathi hambele but lokudelaya at least kubancedzile baze ba reach a certain level of maturity bakhona ukuthi balo now we are saying young people go to school when we are talking about school asisho ukuthi sonke asambeni sika grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 so drop out ile phela ka grade 10 akhona ma institutions la ku train wakhona to drive all these things lotibona kuma constructions can you go there and get something because impilo lesiphila namhla impilo lethi what can you do if you can do it can you prove that you can do it there are a lot of people that are sitting elokishini banaso skill but abana proof yokuthi banaso skill
good
if we go to a system where it says now we are hiring people uyofaka ini ngeke ufake ID ne video uyabo ufuna ufake liphepha ne-ID to say okay lo muntu oya ku institution leso wena security une B une arm response unani then fidelity can say okay alo singamthatha
some recognize
uyabona so yonke lento injalo we want to be a cashier at the scam bafuna kwathi ukuthi computer unayo ile 6 months do you have a computer le 6 months Microsoft in uyayati uyabona Excel uyamathi Excel so that bakhona ukufaka but if we don't have all these things spoke to utana ngekuthi hayi skolo is not for everyone wena skolo utsaccessa everyone
seyini kwakho
umphando awusiwa everyone kusebenta akusikwa everyone ibusiness ayisiya everyone wena kuyo yonke into uyadikhipha uyophila ngani yabo kunebantu that are in schools balokhu baphakamisa labanye yabona hayi imaths into yabo sibanibani life science into yabo sibanibani wena uyafunza but there's no subject longathi le yami uyabo shothi wena kahle kahle uye kuyokhapha labanye abantu ukuthi baphile amaphupho abo at the end of the day yabo uya esikolweni there are young boys labaya esikolweni just to entertain others so that they enjoy being at school at the end of the day we are dropped out these very same people are the people that are going to use you as an example of fail
njabo sibani
fundzelayo ngiyabona so uyabeka ngichis boys safunza skole uyayibona yonke lento le we hear all these stories even young people they hear all these stories every day but still they want to grow and become those people
yeah that's a problem yeah it's a huge one
so we just hope ukuthi young people will realize ukuthi how they need themselves kule mpilo how much they need themselves kule mpilo lesikuyo because you need yourself more than anyone else empilweni you need yourself yourself more than anyone else. Kunebantu that are sharing stories ukuthi hey mina batali bami bashona ngaka.
Yeah.
Namhla labantu labo ke bamnandi life.
Yeah.
Because they understood ukuthi hey la ngiyadidzinga.
Ngididzinga mina.
Yabona. Your parents can assist but they cannot go for school for you. They cannot go to school for you. Your parents can sponsor your ideas but they cannot run them for you. Your parents can pay school fees but they cannot write tests for you. Even your teachers, they can teach you but they cannot write the exam for you. So empilweni wonke umuntu ukwijeni yakhe, wonke umuntu unezinto takhe lokufuna andlule kudo alone. Even if sekuthiwa una partner lophila naye, there are things that you have to go through alone. Nibe ngalathi kwamfundisi nifungile nithi through thick and thin. But there are things that you have to go through alone as a person. It makes you grow, it helps you understand and appreciate impilo. And once you pass through those things, it will make you appreciate yourself to say, hey, ngilwile madoda mina ngibona la ngikhona khona. Those are the people that we want emalokishini. Those are the talks that we want to now ufika hey Rotman insoyimbi ikari yakho ufundza sikolo ntwana. Utoyidriver.
Udriver leblind ikhulula leyo.
Timisele ntwana elifini. Utoba nako lo. Yabo mina I always say intwana nayithi hayi so ngiyayitshela ngithi awungawari ntwana. When I will be 10 times better than what you see in. As long as you do 1, 2 and 3.
Mfowethu no asivale. Si run to 2 hours. So asivale. People like laba like podcast my followers people that they subscribe. I can see ukuthi abafuni ukulalela isikhathi lesithi yabo but it's for the better, you understand, it's for the better because angeke isikhathe kanti kuningi lebekufuna sikutouch yabo lento leyo. No, thanks a lot today ukuthi ngitholile welcome every time that I'm welcome. No, today namhla ngolo host them but mina I'm the host, so it's a vice versa thing. So everything's icala pass as I'm saying ukuthi this thing ngipusha ngefone. Anything is possible in this world and ungafuna miracles yeke lindi flow edo uyifuna flow ngakhona inike the chance futhi, you understand, and as ukuba consistent la kulento le ngiyo lenta ukuthi yendewe, you understand, khona la ngiva khona ukuthi no ngiyangitsutsa, you understand, ngiyangitsutsa big time and jobbing ngitsutsa big time funa ngiyiface nani ngicaleni ngathi ngiyikhona. So if mase ngicala mina sengiyisaba, what's that, you understand. There are many pressures that are out there. There are many people that like the podcast that I can see this one can motivate, this one they can do blah 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 blah. But basengafuna and angeke ngigive up ngibo because bebangekho basengicala this thing, you understand. So mina ngimi ngifuna ngipush babona ukuthi this guy uyapush. Whether mina ngitile kumba ngitanga bakhona abantu abafuna bamsupportako benema episode nabo. No, shout out to you my brother. Thanks a lot. I can't stop thanking you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.